وطاعته غنى الدارين
I'm a convert Muslim. I am a Muslim from 2013, Alhamdulillah.
Inshallah.
And my first Ramadan as a Muslim was in 2014. And that Ramadan, I was jobless and I was sharing a small room with my friend. I had no money, I had no family here, I had basically nothing. And that Ramadan was one of the best Ramadans in my life because I've been praying Qiyam every night and I've been doing my really, really best. And the next Ramadan in 2015, I had a very well-paid job. I had a husband, living in my own apartment, and I've been pregnant with my first child, Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
So what I want to say is that if you're not making dua for what you want, if you're not waking up for Qiyam, then you don't want it enough.
Allahu Akbar. Takbir.
Allah.
The sister is saying to us that if you desperately want something and you are not getting up for Qiyam, Qiyam is the prayer just before Fajr, the late night prayer, right? It's voluntary, but it has power. She says it means you don't want it enough. Subhanallah, you don't want it enough. Because if you really want it, you're going to do everything possible. Talk to the Lord of the worlds every single day. MashaAllah. Sister, Jazakumullah khair. What a beautiful motivation. May Allah bless you and all of us, inshallah. At least now I know certain things that I desperately want. Thank you for the tip.
وأكون للوطن الحبيب مشيعا